what the fashion design, ase hospitality and tourism, ngwege bale food production yani cookery, na bwigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye kutoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 wose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga se Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board nekibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school gurendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kusi obakirisi migwetera sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068.
Bwana ende mwanzo murigiro getembe television karibu sana ase kionga chinsa inye chabono maragoba aseri tukeriga ria Jumamosi ritukoria sabato yichi tariki 22 kira patukatigerete aneuka mwaka yiga 2025 onyare wakanse asinchira ayabene karibu sana nchikuru kwa Matilda Obaigwa na kira turache kubwatirana nere veni nyaboki kurwa ase bimanyiro elio gokoretera aliabereka gokorekana kurwa serikali enene na boigo kuraiga ase orugongo rwa gusikara soike rine nyare okumanya sinjira engikirano. na nekero tuko chake kionga mwanjo murigereria kurasi kaunti ya Nyamira abamenyi na buiga bonchoreria akurasi chiro ya Rigoma iyo watoka ime ward ya Rigoma chinse moja kitutu ya Masaba kaunti iyo Rigobono banyare kuboria abarai bari ase kaunti iyo ya Nyamira banyare kwene kiabuna banyare kubaikirania amagendero ase chinse mecho nekero batebire na babiri bagutigara magiga asinsemo ya magendero na umurikito Daniel Ontiri agotumanya Orobotioro.
Nere tukeli moriuka rietire magaga yensemo ya borokigwa Wiki University kurwa kitutu Masaba.
Comrades power! Comrades ria!
Wesokia kubulia gukinirigwa chibese chibasari hasi kaunti Nyamira. Bunancheremo yugukine birengo bya masomo. Asili tuko lia kaberero ensemo yebamenyi na bonchurulia kurwa sichiro ya Rigoma. Nigubakwanire ogosemeri kwabo bokoba bunabande kemagendero.
Meeting twakorire ande bona enaro twaikera tutagete chidemand cheito gose chirige fancies cheito gochiase abarai bari ba chirengete tutaite umurai ubwate accountability and transparency mono asamangana tendering bursaries na scholarships igento gya kabere toeto monto okuinitiate youth empowerment programs aba youth baita bange mbabwati chigas tutaite koranga chibasa chirichira ase serikali uwezo fund and the rights una chigo ikera abarai abana aba baminto baito batabwati gasi chibakonye barosie byombe baba funded banyore bagukire self employment igento kende kya gatatu improvement in infrastructure
gukwana chinga kicho nigo baigo barorekana kogechigwa igoro yegati yechi project icho chigokorwa sikitutu Masaba batanya kwegwa libaga ligosanga ibirengereri byebo hasi chinsemo chonsi bateba okugania nkororo gukuigugwa ritangani
etengwana mangana ya development stalled projects project implementation echichigo chiakorwa samangana yogo ikerania political marriage and political innuendos and political shenanigans chigendereta se constituency amagendera ria korumanga ayago korukemera ayago koruga chuba tigakorwa Rigoma regional balance erorokana se constituency abantu bari bakuri komanga batatu bari kuri Rigoma batatu bari kwarari Kemera batatu bari kwarari Gachuba regional balance nero tutagete buna abasa
for a very long period of time evijana twabire tugwaka chikura lakini at the end of the day kwabe kumaega abantu bari tayete be serikali n'abantu bande bari wero network bari connected baye kuchigasi cheito as a constituency bone bijana na intwe tutagete twirwane this is our time tukwirwanirira ku asogo jamo tuko unite nabo tukonyora na intu twabwire
gatatu bateba muraita yorachi gotegererwa chinga kichobo choli banene bogocha kubwatekana ne kiama kiaye wasense mari ge siasa ne chinga kichabo chinyinge mbachigo chira ase kuligereria obokoreri bwa keroyomo na monasi kitutu Masaba
matiangero rosirita lia abeire so ondibwese kubuli chikura ndotaiti ashudini matiangya bere magaga yaye gare tumu support we will have to look at your track record
nkurupatere gataseni kyagetembe kurega ase kaunti ya Nyamira literane nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Na kura serikali enene murai ibwense Musiki William Ruto rituko rielero nigo aikirana ase bunge ya Suna East ase kiminano gya Junet Mohammed tournament ikyo yakorekana ase chinse mecho chikotoka ime county ya Migori chinga kiecho nigo bono anyara gukwanira egati yemirobereria bwate emiyago chase abamenyi be county ya Migori na bwigonekera anyara gukwanira amagendero ase serikali yae.
Nyinyi mnajua nilisimama pale Posta. Ile kiwanja tunaongea pale Posta, si namna hiyo? Na mimi nikawaambia hii Migori hatutakuwa tunafanya mkutano yetu Posta, tutatengeneza stadium. Na leo nimepitia hapa kuangalia hiyo stadium, tumetoa pesa ya serikali milioni 850 ya kujenga hiyo stadium. Na watu wa Migori, vile nimeona hiyo stadium kufikia mwezi wa 6 mwaka huu, hiyo stadium itakuwa tayari. Hii finals mumecheza hapa katika uwanja huu wa primary school leo. Next year hiyo finals tutachezea kwa stadium pale. Migori hoye! Migori hoye! Nilikuwa hapa wiki mbili zilizopita na niliwaambia watu wa Migori ya kwamba siasa tumebadilisha. Siasa ni ya kuunganisha Wakenya. Siasa ni ya maendeleo. Siasa ni ya miradi. Hakuna tena siasa ya mdomo tupu. Hakuna tena siasa ya mambo ya ukora. Hakuna siasa ya udanganyifu. Hakuna siasa ya ubaguzi. Na tumesema mambo ya ukabila tunafungia nje. Migori hoye! Munasema tuendelee pamoja. Tuache siasa ya ubaguzi. Mimi nimewaambia hivi na nataka muniangalie vizuri. Nimesema ile siasa ya ubaguzi ambayo ilibagua Migori hii miaka yote, hiyo siasa tumeifungia nje. Hii Migori tutahakikisha iko katikati ya mipango ya maendeleo ya taifa letu la Kenya. Mimi niliwaambia hapa katika Ziwa Victoria hapa. Pale mambo ya Paya tulikubaliana Muhuru Bay tunajenga Paya. Muhuru Bay tunajenga soko. Muhuru Bay tunajenga fish landing site. Na huyu Hassan Joho yuko hapa leo.
Nechinga kesho murai wenze nigo bono anyarire kuba tuguterare bare bakwamiriria serikali nekero abo bori buna bonsi banyare korokia ali babiri baokorera abakenya na boigo ne mirobirimiya eri babwate gochase abakenya nigo atebire asenze moye kiama gia ODM tari gochikogetuguta nonye nase obochore bonene bori bosekera atebire wika serikali yae nyare kubwaterana nekiame kyo wika omoerio.
Nimeambia wana ODM, my friends, nyinyi jipangeni. Sawa sawa? Si muko na party leader? Si muko na viongozi wenu? Mujipange. Sisi nitapanga wale wengine. Alafu tutakutana, tutaunda serikali pamoja. Nyinyi muko tayari ama muko tayari? Muko tayari ama muko tayari? ODM utajipanga? Zamani nilikuwa nasikia baba akisema ODM mnasema tuko tayari. Muko tayari kweli? ODM. 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 Muko tayari? Hebu nione wala nasema tuko tayari. Muko tayari? Na mimi pia niko tayari na wale wengine. Sawa sawa? Na nyinyi msijali. Sawa sawa? Msijali. Wale tunashindana na wao mimi nawajua. Nimewauliza maswali juzi. Wameanza kuregarega kutapatapa. Nimewauliza maswali juzi nyinyi. Mambo mawili ni ya muhimu kwa hii siasa. Kwanza ukuwe na plan na sera na mpango na agenda. Ya pili ukuwe na track record. Ama namna gani? Mimi nauliza nyinyi watu wa Migori. Kwani hapa Migori mtu anachaguliwa kwa sababu wako na sura mzuri? Si anachaguliwa kwa ile kazi amefanya? Kama mtu amefanya kazi miaka 5 si analete record ya miaka 5. Kama mtu amefanya kazi miaka 20 si analete record ya miaka 20. Kama umefanya 40 years kama jamaa mwingine si alete record ya 40 years. Kama hana record atembee nyumbani mbio mbio. Ama namna gani my friends? Tunaelewana? Si kila kiongozi akuwe na record yake. Yes. Huwezi kuwa umekuwa uongozini miaka 20, miaka 30, miaka 50. You cannot account for your leadership. That is what I have said. And I will insist. Na hawa watu nitawasukuma mbaya sana. Mpaka watuambie rekodi yao iko wapi. Ama namna gani? I must say this. Leadership must be accountable. Every leader must account for their time in leadership. And if you cannot account for your time, if you have no projects behind you, if you have no agenda behind you, forget about leadership in Kenya. We want to move ahead as a nation. Tumekwama siku nyingi kwa sababu ya viongozi hawana sera, hawana mpango, hawana maono, hawana agenda. I am ready to demonstrate the plan that I have for this country. Watu wasiseme kama wewe unasema mpango ya kupeleka Kenya first world haifai, wewe utuambie unataka kupeleka Kenya wapi? Ama namna gani, my friends? Wengine wanasema kwa sababu tumesema tukue kama Singapore, wengine wanasema tukue kama Somalia.
Mwancho murigire gukwanira eng'ane yu yukubwatirana ne serikali na bwigo athigati ya serikali na bwigo kiama kia ODM museneta bwi kaunti ya Siaya uyu ne nurumurae bwi kiama kia ODM musike Oburu Odinga nigo bono anyarire gutobuna serikali ya broad based nero bono abobwatani abo baganitie ikiagira nigo atebire gwitira serikali yo amagendero amangi na anyare gwikirana ase chinsinyo chonsi chinse ya Kenya kolene ne kiragenderere gutobuna okora ikiama kia ODM nigo ari mara kigima na bwigo nachukwana kibuna ODM teguchikoba isiko ya serikali ama tukonsi arebosio.
Best arrangement in which Raila left us. This is the best arrangement he could have done, and this is the arrangement our people should stay in and stay in squarely. And we are going to move forward. We cannot just sit in a broad-based arrangement. We are going to move forward and make sure that when it comes to 2027, our people are squarely in the government. Our people will not go back to the opposition again. And I want to tell you, my people, that there is no party in the world which is formed to be in the opposition. Our people have suffered in the opposition far too long. It is the time now we also squarely remain in the government. And we are going to fight for it. We are not going to be asking for favors. We are going to earn it. We are going to earn it by being in our party called ODM. We are going to earn it by being in our party called what? ODM. Asanteni sana. Sena mengi ya kusema kushinda hii.
Na chinga kechocho umurai oyore omojumbe osuna East omoske Janet Mohamed nigobono anyari gukwanira buraye igwikiama kia ODM nekiratebire buna omoseneta oyo Oburu Odinga nero baisene ase ikiama ikio na boigo nekirarure onyo ntindi nabo osege kurwe gitindi gochase bali bonsi bagende tukwimurungania igoro yobutenene ligwikiama ikio kia ODM nekiratebire buna keria omoseneta Oburu arabatebye nekio barache gukorera ase amatuko ose miaka erivosio.
Wanataka kukosea heshima party leader wangu Dr. Oburu Oginga. Katika chama ile kitu ambaye Dr. Oburu atasema ndio mwisho. Hakuna kinyangarika mwingine anaweza ongea nyuma yake. Na ukiongea nyuma ya Dr. Oburu Oginga tutakanyagana na wewe mpaka utaenda pembeni. Katiba ya chama chetu iko wazi, is very clear. Wanasema the person who has the last word on any issue in ODM ni party leader. Na hakuna party leader wawili. Kuna party leader moja peke yake. Wewe kama unataka kuwa party leader, enda tengeneza chama chako. Kuna mamluki ambaye wanataka kuvamia chama chetu. Sisi tunataka kuambia hawa, nyinyi mamluki, kama mnafikiri Dr. Oburu ana watu, sisi ndio watu wake. Tutakanyagana paka mtenda pembeni. Kuna wengine wanasema ndani ya ODM. Kuna wengine wanasema ODM lazima wakuwe na presidential candidate. Katiba yetu ya ODM inasema presidential candidate ya ODM ni party leader. Na ni party leader ni Dr. Oburu Oginga. Yeye ndio atatuambia kama atasimama rais ama atasimama. Sio kila mtu ambaye amelewa kwa baa fulani anasema anataka kuwa rais ya Kenya kwa chama cha ODM. Hii sio chama ya walevi. Hii sio chama ya walevi. Hii ni chama ya heshima. Kama kuna mtu anasimama president kwa ODM, ni mtu mmoja peke yake, ndio katiba ya ODM inaruhusu. Anaitwa Dr. Oburu nani? Ati sasa kila mtu anajitokeza, mimi nataka kusimama rais. Wewe unafikiri hii ni chama ni ya county council ya zamani? So kwa hiyo machache mimi nasema tuheshimu. Kuna watu wanapanga kufanya kuu katika chama chetu. We will deal with them thoroughly from January, utaona. Si mnawajua hawa?
Mwancho murigiria soroboti oro niko togendete kogotea Merry Christmas kurindikira tokogenda umutimo komoke tubose guska kegira ntokerendete ne kiunga chinsa inye kuruko Matilda Obegoveni nyaboke nerogendete koletera iga ase umuno abwebe manyere turaswa chiduka asenene.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeri bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cyo mwana ngwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya tokende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba ndege Tanganyika tabiri mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full intabana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ntogendrete na intake na applications inchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuri yiga kosi obakirisi migwitras chilamba chabo 0743480999 kosi 0782490068.
mwancho murigirira karibu nainde na nekiro tukwiranira emirobirio yoko mwania jumbe umukoro lugari muske Cyrus Jirongo ritukuria rero nigo bono mabiro yorusi wa Sengendo nabo igokoirwa wika ase ekanisa ya Sitam meyo mochio Nairobi asonyara gukorerwa amasabo abene amate yaye abasani nabo igo nabarai ao nigo baikirana ase chinsema icho elio komobeka ase amasabo.
Honorable Cyrus Shahalaka Kwa Jirongo, a life lived to the full. Today we gather not merely to mourn the passing of a man, but to celebrate a life that was lived boldly, fully, and without apology. We gather to honor Honorable Cyrus Shahalaka Kwa Jirongo, scion of the Tiriki, son of Kenya, a father and a brother, a builder, a kingmaker, and a force of nature. Cyrus Jirongo was born on 21st March 1961 in Virembe village, Shamahoho of Tiriki in Hamisi, to the late Paul Jirongo Shahalaka and Selina Ikonanga Jirongo. He was the 11th child in a family of 13, raised in a home grounded in Christian faith, discipline, and enduring belief in hard work.
It's not easy to stand here to talk about a beloved, so I will read my tribute. Today we gather here with heavy hearts in honor of the life of Cyrus, a beloved husband, father, grandfather, brother, uncle, friend. Words are too small in moments like this.
The breakfast and lunch dates you enjoyed together and the plans you had, no one can fill your shoes, but as their parents will do our best to fulfill the plans you had for them and keep your memories alive as they grow. You are and will always be our father, our rock, our provider, our strength and shield. We're also sad. May you rest well and find peace and happiness in your next life. We're proud of you and thank you for everything.
Na huyo no moyega onyara gwikiranwa na igati ya barai burabono muske mathakaro muske Eugene Wamalo muske Moses Kuria na boigo negati ya barai abange obanyara gwikirana ase kanisa eyo ya Sitam ase amasabo ayo abene chinga kecho nigo bamotogia Cyrus Jirongo koba umurai otabwate wanjereria uchasigisa kukende yonsi barai bande bonsi gosense mwende yonsi ye serikali.
I was very surprised that though he was in KANU and he was Moi's right-hand man, Jirongo still had friends across the political aisle. He would come and speak to my late brother. He would come and speak to Masinde Muliro. He was not actually limited by political boundaries. And this is how Jirongo lived his life. And that is why in this congregation you could see people across the political aisle. He did not know any borders. In fact, if he was a doctor, he would have been one of those Medicinal Sans Frontiers, doctors without borders. He did not respect the border of tribe or religion or region he cut across. And I would like us, particularly those of us who are from the Mlembe Nation who are here today, if there is one thing we can pick from Cyrus, the greatest honor we can bestow upon this man is to fight for what he fought for most, Luhya unity, the unity of the Mlembe Nation. And in so doing, we must rise above our petty politics. We must remember the words of Abraham Lincoln, who said, though we are politicians, we are not enemies, we are competitors. And that though passions may strain the bonds of affection, they must not break because of politics. That is how Cyrus lived his life.
The year 1992, when we were student leaders, could easily be called the Jirongo year. As student leaders, especially radical ones who are opposed to the then government of Daniel Arap Moi, we used to, gossip about each other. This one is pretending to be upright, but he was seen with Jirongo, and you knew what that meant that time. John Nyongesa, kwa mchezo makoha, you know what I mean. But our entry into politics that particular time was shaped by this man who was very much determined. Later, of course, I worked very closely with Jirongo. John Nyongesa used to consult for him, especially trying to manage the communication around his many cases. And much later, I had, unbeknown to many, a brief stint with the One Kenya Alliance with my sister mother here, and Cyrus, was very much determined before we took different paths and went different ways.
We've collaborated with Cyrus in many political seasons. Moses Kuria mentioned some of it in the runner-up to the 2022 elections. We were planning on collaborating moving forward. It's not going to stop. I say aluta continua. And I want to say something maybe that has not been mentioned. Cyrus had concerns about his safety. He was actually making arrangements to better secure himself. This accident came before that time. So those questions will linger. But for now, we stand with the family. We say farewell to a person who had a large heart.
Wikira bumoncho murire no tugukorere kionga chinsa inye tia wono obutuko kurene mbuya muno amatukonzi tukenere tugukwireneria mbuya muno kiagera nae kwagirire gitaseni kiga kia getembe kigenete kuba na mbeyemo akubwo muno mweko yiga nakiro kurigiriria naiga na ndigitaseni kiga na kikenyarete kwibwera koba na mbeyemo ase liroberiga aliagusi korende tugende tugukuganiria esuku kuingia na boigo mwako moya ore obwa masesenia mwako moya ore oyubo muki na boigo ebitoki aso botuko bwa rero gongo kuganiria obutuko bya na boigo obonsi bali bagende tuguchingira emeiga kurwa chinsemo nyasaye anyare ko baneno boika omwelyo kuruko Matilda obaigwa vinya boke kurwa sebi manyere nere Mike Wills kokoretira chibichana Mario Gasinjira engi gerano wika litukorinde mutware obutuko obuya nyasaye oyo.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, civil engineering na wigo water engineering ase ensema ya computing and informatics ngwige dibali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering ngwige dibali electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering ase ensema ya cosmetology ngwige dibali hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism ngwige dibali food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga se Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali loan cyogo soma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cyo mwana ngwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school gulendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana ngwaye gubali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania atabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba goikawe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gutrasa kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068. Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso busega segireme chando aoya marwire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeye egetekyo mogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka kire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatemiremende emashini ye nigo eroseraniri amaryogo ayo akorokwa nano diamond titanium ayo agotumeka ase okugwenia ale nayo obokoreri wanuga best ni gobole obwigoromono ase babwate mechibi eyo kugwenia marwire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samarikao eyo kuyarungiya igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imenya gitarigiga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakira chinse 10 cyamambya gweka chinse 12 cyambagaroba Nuga Best nigo bagotuke miyomo cyobo songo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kise Kisumu
cyase na byete na tambi nasawo yigo saboyo mo anye ndobo moyo munako batebi nziko batebi omurali timba so abo chimindo mo ko yija maria ya bamko be kanga ekene enyagitari eye yankonya sana yani batenya sana ngambia mukirege digama na kwa ile operation mara gatatu okugorono lakini lero ma nda wake te wow awo kutomera omupesa lakini lero atosa kutiye bwana ekekerekia soko enda tambe kanyago tare digama na kwa ile operation kwa nongo chama Kaya mana sani mau pemain yang koleras, pasti gokora. Wah, kanya kau bang na juga kau baca itu. Kanya mata ya kau ni mana yang kau nyampe kan lagi lagi kalau mau turun, kanya orang tu, kanya kita hari ni nak kau. Oh, rumah kau itu, kau sedang kau bang dapat ter. Ai ni kamu, nikuja neka hapo kwa atletu mwa wangu
asamange bakirisi ni wetera sete namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com. Nugabest kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia.
School director, teachers, parents, and my fellow learners, good afternoon.
Je, unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga mtoto wako kitaaluma na kimaadili? Karibu Prince Shiner's Royal Academy, shule inayotoa elimu bora na nafuu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 5 na ni fully CBC compliant. Katika Prince Royal Shiner's Academy tunajivunia